Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to offer this superb Honda CB125F. Registered the 10th of May 2022 on a 22 plate, with 9,309 miles, presented in Pearl Splendor Red, and benefiting from full main dealer service history. The Honda CB125 is a versatile and reliable 125cc motorcycle that ticks all the boxes for those looking for an affordable, efficient commuter and for taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling. With its lightweight design and effortless maneuverability, it's perfect for navigating city streets. Add in outstanding fuel economy and easy-to-read LCD display which includes fuel gauge, RPM counter, and a handy gear indicator, and you've got a bike that's as practical as it is enjoyable. Affordable to run and easy to maintain, this little gem won't be around for long. Grab it while you can. This superb example comes serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.